Drop your file on the home page. Once your document is loaded, scroll to the page where you need to put the signature, and then look at the top toolbar and click on Sign. PDF.net will immediately ask you how you want to create your signature, giving you 3 options. You can type it, draw it, or upload it. If you want to upload an image of your signature, PDF.net will remove the background automatically. For this demonstration, let's type it out. Simply type your name into the box, and the platform dynamically generates a variety of clean, professional cursive styles. Browse through them and choose the design that fits your personal aesthetic the best. You can save the signature for the future, so you won't have to go through this process again for the future PDFs. When you're happy with how it looks, click Place in PDF. The signature will appear on your document, and you can freely move it around. Just drop it right where it needs to go and resize it.